What's the meaning of arrowhead? Arrowhead. Arrowhead.
Arrowhead. Arrowhead. An arrowhead is a pointed object used as the tip of an arrow for hunting or warfare. It is typically made of stone, metal, or other durable materials and attached to the end of an arrow shaft using various methods. Arrowheads were commonly used by ancient civilizations all over the world and are still used today in traditional hunting practices. These objects played a crucial role in the development of human societies and continue to be significant artifacts in archaeological research.